Okay, but the back come to my. Never mind. You know what? Okay, I'm gonna staple 2 tests now. I don't want to hear a thing. As ek het dan hoor, dan gaan ek julle al julle holle vat van ek. Heavenly Father. Shut up! Okay. Shut Who is you see I can't even staple what you guys open in your mouths. Wait, why can I staple this? There even staples in you. Oh, it's because the staples are too much. Can I put those other staples in there, will you? Why is it not coming out? Wait! No, man. There's something wrong with the